This is emergency. This is them do all the damn time.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Me need assistant at Blueberry Corner, Islington, St. Mary. This is a car accident.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaican...
Them can't just move him just so. I head, him a bleed out of him nose, you know. Them can't just move him so.
Hello?
Yes, me need officer at Blueberry Corner.
Where is Blueberry Corner?
Islington, St. Mary.
What's happening there?
Excuse me?
What is happening there?
Yes, a car accident. Individual spun out of control, hit a pole, and then hit a wall. And out of shock, he flew out of his vehicle and bleeding out of his nose.
Alright, don't hang up the phone here. Don't hang up.
Yo, no move yet, big man, no move yet. No, man, no make him move just so do, man. You know, let's make him sit up. Make him sit up.
Frequent washing of hands and sanitization. Wear a
Make him
mask
sit
in
up.
public places and avoid... Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaicans take all the necessary precautions to reduce the risk of contracting the COVID-19 infection. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Frequent washing of hands and sanitization.
Go ahead, sir. Talk to the police.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need an assistant. An individual spun out, hit a light post, and then hit a wall at Blueberry Corner in Islington. Bleeding out of his nose.
He might bleed out his nose?
Yes. No, vehicle unable to move.
No, anybody in the area.
If anybody in the area, there's well, we don't really want to move him unless if somebody skilled around the place, you know, because if something worse happened to him, then who ever take fault?
If what?
If something worse happened to him, this is a head trauma.
But we don't have ambulance.
So you tell me, say nobody up there no certify what can deal with something like this?
It's a police station,
Yeah, this is nobody up there no trained to deal with something like this in case of emergency. No CPR or paramedics or somebody not trained up there.
Sir, what time accident took place?
Just a while ago, right now. Not even 5 minutes yet.
At 2 o'clock a curfew time.
At 2 o'clock a curfew, and this is an essential worker. It's a floor contractor that's on the road. Right now, because of that, about 40 people left on the road.
Never forget, one vehicle, we don't know nearby. Where you call a while ago, this is the command center. We are sending Port Murray.
Backside. They don't try to put him for that vehicle. Anybody can carry him, go down there.
All right, do that then.
All right. Them say them can't, they say, come